this video, I'm going to show you how we can export grades into an Excel sheet. To do so, let's go all the way down to the administration block and click on Gradebook Setup. And once this new page opens, let's go to this Export tab. In this Export tab, we'll be given a list of different grade items which are available for export. So I have 5 assignments, the category total for the 5 assignments, the midterm, the final, and the test quiz, and the course total. So at the moment I just want to export a couple of grade items to see how it looks like. So I'm just going to export midterm and the final scores and the course total. And in the export format options here, you can select the grade display type as well. So whether you want the course total to be displayed as a real, percentage, or letter, and you can choose either one of them or 2 of them or all 3 of them together. So I'm just going to check on real and percentage, and I'll click download. Once I do that, this Excel sheet has been downloaded, and I'll just click on it to open it in my Microsoft Excel software. This file has been downloaded with different fields. I'll just expand all of the different fields. We see 6 different fields here. So we see that all the 4 students with their midterm, their final, and their course total, all the 3 things have been downloaded. But at the same time, we see that the integer number for their score as well as their percentage number for their score has been downloaded. I have not created the final exam yet, so that's why we see blank in this field. And then we have a course total. Again, the course total is divided into 2 columns, where first column is real integer numbers, the second column is percentages. The reason why we usually download scores into an Excel sheet is when we want to do some custom calculations, some different sort of complex formula or logic, if you wanted to do on scores for a student. This is where Excel sheet can be really handy. Actually, let's put some scores for the final exam, which is also out of 100 points, and I'm just going to reward them 95, 90, 85, and 80. I'm not going to change anything here in the percentage column, because that's not something that I want to make a change to. So if I wanted to import this file back and update the scores into Gauchospace, I will just save this not just as an Excel file, but I'm going to save it as a CSV file. So I'm going to click on Save As, change the name to Video Tutorial Grades, and save it as CSV UTF-8, delimited. Make sure this is the format that you're saving in, and click on Save. Alright, our file is saved. Let's go back to Gauchospace, and we can go to this Import tab. So far we have exported those grades. To import them back, let's go to the Import tab. So once this new page opens up, let's go and actually choose the file that we wanted to import. So we'll choose the CSV file that we just saved, CSV. Let's open that and click on upload this file. Alright, so this file has been uploaded. Make sure that the encoding is set to UTF-8 and the separator is a comma. We saved it as a comma delimited file, and yeah, make sure that you are in verbose import, not in the CSV file tab, because that's the usual mistake that a lot of people do, is that they try to upload the CSV file in a CSV file tab, which makes sense, but no, we actually want to be in verbose import. Let's go and click upload grades, and this is the preview that it shows to us. Now map from perm number to perm number, that is fine, perfectly all right. Let us map the different fields that we just wanted to upload. For example, let's set the final exam real field to our final exam grade item. What this will tell us is that the final exam real field in the Excel sheet, all the numbers and all the scores in this column should be then transferred into this grade item. So make sure you do that. We don't want to make any changes here. The reason why we don't want to do that is because we really haven't changed the scores for the midterm. All we have done is that we had changed some scores on the final exam, and that is the only mapping that we will be performing. So in the grade item mappings, that's the mapping that we'll be doing. Let's click on upload grades. It says that 4 scores have been updated, or rather that will update, and click on update. So import was a success. Let's continue. Now we are back to our grader report view, and we see here that the final exam scores that we just put into the Excel file, 95, 90, 85, 80, all of these scores have just been uploaded to our Gauchospace course site.